Hi, I'm going to share my experience with Notchup, how I actually got placed. So it was not a big deal at all. The interview was so easy. Actually, first I applied my resume using the Notchup website where you can find in Google. Just type Notchup and you will find the official website. And if you click that link, you can go for the join with us or something, teach with us. You can find something related to that and you can start applying. And after applying, I scrolled down the web page and I found something regarding the selection process. There are actually three rounds. First round is they will shortlist your resume. If they like your resume, they will approach you by sending you the details of the second round. So the second round will be you have to upload a video which should be around 2 minutes, and the in the video you will be asked to tell the four questions, and the questions are: first you have to introduce yourself, and second question, you in what language you are comfortable, the what are the regional language you are comfortable. If you I'm comfortable in English and Tamil, I could take Tamil and English while teaching the student. So in what language you are comfortable with, you can tell that. And as a third question, you can tell, you should tell what is coding according to you, what is coding to kids. Okay, you should explain what is coding. And the fourth question is you have to share one incident that really tested your patience level in your life. Okay, so these four questions you have to explain in a video which should be around 2 minutes, and you have to upload it in the link which they provided in your mail. Okay, so before you are preparing for your video, you must prepare on your communication skill and your aptitude skill. So once after you uploading the video, they will immediately they will immediately give you the page of aptitude test. Yeah, so if you give the submit button, then one page will open there. You will be tested your communication skills. There will be actually 25 questions which is full of grammatical questions. So you have to choose option which is right. So they will test your communication skill. So you have to choose the right answer, and after choosing the right answer, it will ask you, are you sure with the answer? So if you click sure, based on that result only, they will select you for the next round. Okay, so in communication skill, I got 72% and it showed me intermediate. So it was easy also, and the answers are also available in the net also. So they are not going to record you while you enter for the test. And after once you completed the communication skill, again one page will open, and in that page you will supposed to answer for the aptitude. It can be a logical aptitude or it can be a quantitative aptitude. It was also easy. I attended the logical and I got somehow 70, and it asked me to share the screenshot. So once after you are completing your screen aptitude, you have to share your score screenshot. If you are not taken any screenshot, you will be asked to attend the test again with the same link. So that is what I attended. I forgot to take the screenshot, so I attended the logical aptitude again, and I made a screenshot. And next you have to go back to the link and you have to upload your screenshot, and you have to share the communication English test, which I scored 72, and you have to enter the mark as 72 and intermediate level, and you have to give OK button. So if you are selected in the second round, then you will get a mail within 3 to 4 days. I uploaded one Saturday this video file and this aptitude I attended Saturday, and I got my mail around Monday, Tuesday, I think so. I got Tuesday, yeah. I got you are selected for the next round, and that is a final round. So in the third round, in the once again, yeah, in the third round you will be asked to it will be a live demo, where the HR will give you a link. As per, you have to attend the live demo as per their timing. You should not change any timing. They will ask you to accept the timing what they gave you. Okay, so you have to accept it. It will be just 5 minutes. I could give you an assurance. It will be around, it won't exit after 15 minutes. For me, it happened only for the 5 minutes. And I am asked to take class for kids about what is Python. So that is what the task they give me. I asked to teach what is Python, how I'll explain what is Python to the kids. So I started from the very basic, like Python is a high level language. High level language means it is not, it won't look like a zeros and ones. More, it has most English keywords, so so human can understand the code. So I started from the very basic, and I started from the logo, who invented, and what is a variable. And once after I completed with the variable, they asked me to stop. And they told me that uh, for the trial class I'll be paid rupees 40, and if any of the student liked me and they booked the course, I'll be paid 150. So this is what they told me, and I agreed with them. And so they told me, please, we will update your result via mail. So I waited for around 7 hours. Within that night itself, they updated the mail that I have got selected. So I was very happy, and now I am go throughing the PDF they have sent me. So I'm supposed to take my training session in the upcoming days. Yeah, so this is how I got selected. It is not a big deal. The aptitude answers you will get in a internet itself. So that's it. All the best.